So the Supreme Court was considering last week whether to take up during a conference Judicial Watch's request that they consider our challenge to lower court decisions that essentially eliminated a candidate's right to challenge a federal, the messing with federal law in Illinois of counting ballots that arrive after Election Day. In Illinois, they count ballots that arrive for up to 2 weeks after Election Day. And we represent Congressman Bost and 2 electors in Illinois, and the lower court said, Congressman, the federal candidate has no right to challenge this, not in these circumstances, and the appellate court upheld it. And it's absurd to say federal candidate can't challenge a law that's at odds with federal law that sets in Election Day, counting ballots for 2 weeks after Election Day, or that arrive for 2 weeks after Election Day, late ballots. And so they held a conference, according to their reading the tea leaves, but they pushed it over to discuss at the next week's conference. So we don't know what they're going to do. So they may still take up the case. So continue to pray for wisdom and discernment by the Supreme Court that they take up this case so we can get vindication, I hope, in the end, that a candidate has a right to challenge election lawbreaking. Now, we already have a lawsuit that's ongoing in California where they count ballots that arrive for up to 7 days after Election Day. There are 2 House seats that were changed from Republican to Democrat as a result of that, what we allege to be unlawful counting. I'm not sure why the House hasn't done anything to fix that. And of course, in Mississippi, we had a similar case 5 days after Election Day, and we had an appellate court, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, find that counting ballots after Election Day, like Judicial Watch has alleged, is indeed unlawful. But you've got this in the Illinois court that says a candidate can't do anything about it. And that can't be the law. That just can't be. We're hoping the Supreme Court takes action. So we didn't hear whether they're going to take the case last week because they want to talk about it again this week. Or I think it's been set for conference this week. I'm not sure the exact date. So let's keep our fingers crossed, shall we? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video down below.